Hi viewers, I hope you are well, safe and sound. I am going to show you that how can we fix the iPhone 6 problem, which has the one when you press the power button, it shows the Apple len, then go to the blank screen uh, like that. When I press the power button, it shows Apple, then go to the black screen. Now today I am going to solve this issues for you. You can this solve these issues in your at your home. Now how can I fix this problem? So guys, if you are new viewers and not subscribe my channel, so please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more new videos. And if you are subscribe my channel, then so please like and watch this video till end. Now I am going to show you how to fix this issue. Let's go. So guys, our issues has been solved, and our iPhone is on and shows Apple, the final stage of recovery. Watch this video till end. So guys, that is our issues which has been solved. Our iPhone has been on. Thanks for watching this video. So if you are still not subscribed my channel, so please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more new videos.